In the heart of Israel's diverse terrain, a world of remarkable beauty awaits. Welcome to Wild Israel, a land of wonders. Join us as we uncover the secrets of a land where nature thrives against all odds. Meet the resilient Arabian Oryx in the desert, the agile Nubian Ibex in the Golan Heights, and the enchanting Israeli painted frog. These remarkable species remind us of the astonishing biodiversity thriving in the heart of Israel, urging us to protect and preserve these unique treasures. Join us on a journey to discover the unexpected natural wonders of the Holy Land. Hula Valley. This area in northern Israel is a vital stopover point for migratory birds. The Hula Nature Reserve and Agamon Hula Lake offer excellent opportunities for birdwatching. The Negev Desert. The Negev Desert is home to unique species like the Nubian ibex and various reptiles. Specific locations within the Negev, such as the Rimon crater, Maktesh Rimon, and the Ein Abdit Nature Reserve, are worth featuring. Golan Heights. This region in northern Israel features diverse landscapes, including forests and grasslands. It's an important habitat for the Arabian oryx and other wildlife. Mediterranean coast. Israel's Mediterranean coastline is home to marine life and coral reefs. Locations like the Oksiv Marine Nature Reserve and the Carmel Coast offer excellent underwater scenery. Red Sea Coast. The Eilat area on the Red Sea is known for its vibrant coral reefs and marine biodiversity. Mention the Eilat Coral Beach Nature Reserve and the Red Sea Marine Peace Park. Carmel Mountains. This mountain range is rich in biodiversity and home to various wildlife, including wild boars and caracals. The Carmel High Bar Nature Reserve is a notable location for wildlife conservation in the area. Ein Gedi Nature Reserve. Nestled on the shores of the Dead Sea, Ein Gedi Nature Reserve is a desert oasis where the relentless desert meets lush, flowing springs. Explore a vibrant tapestry of flora and fauna, including ibex, rock hyraxes, and unique desert plants. Discover the harmony of life that persists in this challenging environment, a testament to nature's resilience. Ein Afik Nature Reserve. Ein Afik Nature Reserve is a hidden gem in northern Israel, where history and ecology intertwine. Stroll through the ancient Roman ruins, and then immerse yourself in the serene beauty of the reserve's wetlands. Here, you'll witness a stunning variety of waterfowl, herons, and wildlife that have found sanctuary in this green oasis. Banias Nature Reserve. Venture into the picturesque Banias Nature Reserve, where history, spirituality, and nature converge. Explore the majestic waterfalls and winding streams that have captivated visitors for centuries. Amidst the lush forests, you may encounter wild boars and other forest dwellers. This reserve is a living testament to the coexistence of history and ecology. In the heart of this ancient land, we've witnessed the resilience and beauty of Israel's wildlife. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary adventure in the Holy Land.